is Chanel, and I'm back with another video. I'm pretty much gonna let this video just play out. Y'all can hear my daughter in the back. She says hi. Oh, she's also in the background. Oh, nice. But yeah, so right here I'm just plaiting my hair, y'all, and I actually know how to combine the braids, so that's pretty much like what I did to try to get my hair to be as flat as possible. I did not flat iron my hair. I actually had co-washed it and just blow dried it. I actually co-washed it with the Hair Infinity, and I really love how that stuff is working on my hair. I feel like when I took the wig off, which I actually didn't keep on for long for the photo shoot or anything, my hair actually had grown a lot, so I'm definitely gonna co-wash it again. I love co-washing my hair, y'all, because it's just so like convenient, and I don't know, it's just something about like when you co-wash your hair. Co-washing is washing your hair with conditioner and not with shampoo, because sometimes shampoo can really strip your hair. So I only like try to wash my hair when it's been like a month at a time. Look at me dancing. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna let the video just play out. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my vlog. As far as I was initially supposed to be wearing my hair like this for my lip gloss shoot, but I decided that, you know, I'm gonna just wear my real hair. Yeah. Kind of messed up right there. But yeah, I was initially supposed to wear this hair for my lip gloss launch to give it like a little classy, like, I feel like when you wear like your hair short, it looks very like classy and everything like that. So that's what I was going for, but I felt like the hair was a little bit too short for me. I just couldn't figure out like how I felt about it. So I just wanted to be extremely comfortable like during this shoot. So I just decided to wear my real hair. So I ended up taking this off like, I think 3 days later. But yeah, make sure you guys go check out that next video, because I actually took the wig off wrong and I took my edges out, y'all. Like, it was really, really bad. But yeah, I'll leave it in the description box below or put it somewhere on the screen possibly, so you guys can go ahead and look at that. And thank you guys so much. We are at 500 subscribers, y'all. I'm doing a lot of talking. I don't even think I took a breath yet, but I am so happy that we finally reached the 500 milestone. It's been a long time coming, but I'm trying to be more consistent on my channel. It's a lot of things that, you know, I feel that I want to show you guys, and I also want you guys to comment below. Like, make sure you guys comment below. Let me know like what your thoughts are as far as my videos, what you like about them, what you kind of like would like to see, because I'm all for that, y'all. Good morning. This is the next day, and I didn't have time to do my baby hairs yesterday, so I just decided to do them today. I'm not really big on baby hairs, but I do kind of like a little swoopy woopy, you know what I'm saying? Nothing super crazy. I was really trying with this wig, y'all, but I just could not get it together. I also got the wig off of Amazon. I think it was like $80, yeah, and it was actually kind of like a bob. So like if you've seen like the beginning clips, like how it was kind of longer in the front, so I actually just cut it because I wanted it to be more of a blunt cut. Like I thought that's what I ordered, but apparently not. But I'll put the link to the wig in the description box below. But I was really trying to adjust. I feel like the back was just like too short, and it was kind of layered too, so it kind of made it like different. But it looks good though. I'll put the link in the description. Bye y'all. This side because it just comes down more, so I just make my forehead a little bigger, I mean smaller. But then again, I like this side too. I think maybe if I just like that. The thing about baby hairs is like I can't get them to stay like where I put them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like the baby hairs make a really big difference with the hair. Like, to look like a sideburn. Y'all always wanted sideburns. Like the girls who have like that sideburn. Like I just feel like the look is so freaking beautiful. So. Direction so that it could fall like and give it that. I was gonna cut my real hair this short, y'all. Like I was close, I had a dream of everything. I was like, should I do it? But then I felt like, well, maybe I should just put the wig on.